What's up, guys? It's Pao Jacer 522 and it's now 10:51 Pacific time. Let me show you the list here. There you go. And I would like to thank everyone for joining this 3-box Topps Turkey Red box break. Let me show you our first box here. Alright, good luck everyone. Hopefully we get something good here. Pretty much getting 11 cards every box here. So we got Brewers, Padres, my bad there. So it's Yonder Alonso for the Padres, Stephen Strasburg for the Nationals, Giancarlo Stanton for the Marlins, Justin Upton for the D-backs. I think this is Brett Wallace. Yep. Our auto is for the Twins. It's Scott Diamond out of 689. There you go, 610, 689 for the Twins. Asdrubal Cabrera for the Indians. Gene Segura for the Brewers. Felix Hernandez for the Mariners. Miguel Montero for the Mariners. And R.A. Dickey for the Mets. Alright. Second box, guys. Ian Kennedy, D-backs. Cole Hamels, Phillies. Josh Beckett, Dodgers. Andre Ethier for the Dodgers. Matt Cain for the Giants. And we got our autograph here. It's gonna be for the Twins again. And same autograph as the first box. This time it's 611. Alright. Dustin Pedroia for the Red Sox. Hanley Ramirez for the Dodgers. Evan Longoria for the Rays. Justin Morneau for the Twins. And Yu Darvish for the Rangers. Alright, last box, guys. Robinson Cano for the Yankees. Chase Utley for the Phillies. Starling Castro for the Cubs. Billy Butler for the Royals. Ryan Howard for the Phillies. And our autograph is for the Blue Jays. It's a Drew Hutchison. 99 of 389. Jared Weaver for the Angels. Mark Trumbo for the Angels, Jimmy Rollins for the Phillies, Jake Peavy for the White Sox, and last card is Adrian Gonzalez. Alright, let me just show you the hits again. Drew Hutchison, number 389. And we got 2 autos for the Twins. Scott Diamond, 1/610, 1/611 of 689. And that's it for this box break, guys. Thanks for joining. Hope I see you guys at my next box break, and I hope you check out my eBay page for my other box break. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys later.